Hi!
I am
Introducing
Princess
Noreen.
Noreen.
SS2.
And my assistant. Sunita tayo.
So, yeah. Today, I'm going to show you
Time
my...
travel.
It's a time travel. Thank you. It is just my house tour. Yes, house tour. Let's go outside. Let's go in the garden. Let's go in the garden.
The Royal Garden where we play badminton.
No, where's my... Oh wait, there it is. Hold on. That's just... Oh my gosh.
Let's go.
Hold on. I'm putting on my shoes. Okay, let's go play. Let's go in the garden. Here. I'll show you. The garden. I'm sorry if you guys see darkness everywhere. It's night today. So,
That's when we play badminton.
yeah. So this is the garden. This is my...
our badminton every night.
Yeah, we play badminton every night, and sometimes
And I don't get better in Sunday.
So yeah, I'll put the camera, I guess, like somewhere safe for you to watch this. Here, like. So hi. Okay, yeah. I bet you can see me. Okay, they can't see us. We can. Oh look, we grab a thing. Now what is? So I know this video is too short, and I'm sorry. I think I'll try to make another one tomorrow, by later or tomorrow, because it's gonna be sunny tomorrow, so I can make a video of like us. So yeah. See you later, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Wait, where are you? Say bye bye.
Bye bye.